Okay, so I have a little sample from another class assignment. So these are just gonna be the basics of using the Word document or Google Docs that I'm using my Word doc on my laptop. So here you have like the main title here. We usually use Times New Roman, like this one, for assignments. That will look like this. But if it's gonna be the header or any, you want to create anything else or get a style, you can always change anything you want here for the fonts. And also here you can change the size of the font as big or as any size as you want. To organize your writing or your text, you can always hit the bold button right here. That will create a more defined look on your text. Just like here. And then when you want to highlight something like this, you have this tab right here on your home button. And you can select any color you want. Right now it's yellow, so you can pick like this bluish color. And it creates something to highlight something that's important and makes it stand out. And then right here we have a list here, so let me remove this really quick. So if you want something like this, you can always just type it as is, for example, and you can always highlight all of it. And you go here in your home tab again, and you have all these options to click. You just click one and it automatically organizes everything. And then going back again, so if you want to remove something that you don't want, let me remove this. You can always highlight it. And to remove something, you can just click this button and it'll give you the look that you don't want it there or just for anything. And to remove it, you click it again. If you want to underline it instead of highlighting it, you can always click this other tab right here and it'll give you this look. And for like if you want to organize something here and you want to change it, instead of going to the left side of the page, you want to make it in the center of the text, you can always click it and it'll give you this other look. Or you can go to the other side like this and you got more you can change around. And then right here, if you want to distance your page, because if it looks tight on the text, like if this is, you want it more condensed or you want it a bit more spaced out like this, then you can do it like that. You can just organize it, makes it more open and more readable, and you can read it better. And yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. Just some few little basics for beginners. Thank you.